As you are working on your project webpage, it would also be a good idea to start thinking about the Persuasive Recovery Plan. This is a plan seeking to gain money from Congress to help you implement a plan that will remove your endangered species from the endangered species list. Below are some components that are critical. You'll be using some compelling visuals and argumentation by giving a brief description of your endangered species, why the animal is important to the ecosystem, what human behaviors are a threat to the species, what are the realistic steps required to take the animal off the endangered species list, how long will your recovery plan take, and how much money will be required, then a list of your resources. All of this information needs to be included within your project webpage. In the past, this has been done in the format of a slideshow presentation with the transcript below. So students had the transcript that went along with the presentation. We will not be doing a formal presentation this year due to the nature of online instruction, but this is the format that has been used. My suggestion would be to take this and break it down on your project webpage and include sections that cover each one of these talking points. I would include visuals and then have the compelling argumentation that goes along with it, which is what's built into each one of the components of the transcript. So yes, you could do a slideshow presentation with a transcript, or you could simply break this down and include all of this information on your recovery plan page of your project's webpage. I would also suggest looking at the project checklist to make sure that you do not miss any information. So here's the checklist for the webpage. And below on the second page is the checklist of information that should be also included in your Persuasive Recovery Plan. All of this information should be added into your web page. So if we look at the example, you'd be adding in one additional page. You'd have your home page, zoologist, ecologist, conservationist page. Then you would have your Persuasive Recovery Plan page, and then finally your resource page. If you have any questions, we can discuss those in class on Google Meet.